Hey, it's Charles again. Just wanted to get back with you. We're going to talk for a little bit about the top 5 mistakes that real estate investors make. And these are my top 5, and sometimes this list grows and shrinks depending on what kind of mood I'm in today. But these are really the true top 5 mistakes that I think that most real estate makers make, most real estate investors make, regardless of whether they're beginners or been in the business for a long time. I know sometimes I still have to check myself when I go to look at deals or put deals together. I got to make sure that I'm not making one of these mistakes. So let's get started with the list. The first one is delay or procrastination. And I want to ask a real question for you right now, and that is, how many real estate deals have you done? Have you done your first deal yet? That may be a big key, that this is probably one of the mistakes that you're making. If you haven't even done a deal, or maybe you've done one deal and it didn't work out the way you thought it should or would have wanted it to work out, and now you're maybe a little hesitant or fearful in moving forward. And all I can say with that is, you know, we've all had these mistakes. I'll be honest with you, probably 2 years before I started investing, I was actually looking. I was what you call a looky-loo. And I found 2 properties for about, I think they were 2-bedroom, 1-bath, basically starter homes in my area here in Southwest Virginia, and pretty decent little populated area. 2 homes for under $40,000. And I had a partner at the time, and I couldn't really get him sold on them, but they were really good homes. They actually didn't need much fix-up at all, and I could have rented them immediately for probably $500 or $600 a month, so it would have been great cash flow. Anyways, I delayed, I waited. I didn't get the warm and fuzzy from my partner, who was more concerned about moving out of town than they were about doing real estate deals. I wasn't quite sure why they were my partner at that point, but the bottom line is I didn't get those two homes. I waited, somebody else got them, and made some great money. So delay is probably the number one. And the bottom line with that is you've just got to be able to move forward. And what you want to do is be able to take action without risk. Take action without wasting your own money or your own credit or committing to something that you can't do. And so that's going to be something that you need to learn, and we'll teach you that with the real estate domination methods. Now, number 2, of course, are those people on the other side of the fence who maybe go at every single deal that's out there. I've got a few students right now who, because they wanted to do something very smart, they wanted to do something in real estate, they wanted to make money, but somehow they got convinced to do a deal that wasn't so good. And I'm not talking about a small deal here. So they've got a great tax write-off, but it's not cash flowing. Now, the third mistake that most investors make is using their own cash or credit. This is one of my biggest pet peeves. Guys, if you're going to be a real estate investor, I understand that there are a lot of things that you can do when you have good credit, when you have some access to cash, but if you're going to be a real estate investor, that's somebody who's able to do multiple transactions a month, somebody who knows how to put deals together when they are cash poor or cash strapped, or maybe credit overextended, but they can still put a deal together, they can still put money in their pocket, and they can still create an asset for themselves. And so that's one of my biggest pet peeves, is I want you to learn how to really do deals without your own cash or credit. Once you learn that, I basically have taught you to fish, and you can feed yourself and your family for a lifetime instead of being codependent on a certain financial situation. Ultimately, you will get to the point where you have plenty of cash and good credit, but not everybody starts